Our master synthesis reading, Triune chart analysis and consciousness mapping. I'm excited to show you this. Our core synthesis using my natal chart for Western Vedic unification. So the bridge consciousness chart presents a profound duality between systems. In Western, I'm a Piscean visionary with the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Uranus in the 11th house stellium, with Libra in balance, seeking Moon and Jupiter in the 6th house. In Vedic, I become an Aquarian reformer, the same planets now in Aquarius, with Virgo in discernment, Moon, Jupiter, and Virgo. And this creates a unique consciousness that bridges Neptunian mysticism, Western with Uranian innovation, Vedic, Libra in relationship focus with Virgo in service and orientation. Here's the alchemical bridge. I exist to transmute collective suffering. Pisces, Aquarius stellium through practical systems, 6th house emphasis. I have a Taurus ascendant in both systems, and it grants earthly stability, yet fixed stars reveal deeper patterns. I have Algo at 2614 degrees Taurus, conjunct my ascendant at 2355 degrees, indicates tremendous transformative power in my persona, the Medusa's head that can petrify patterns or reveal hidden truths. Spica at 2354 degrees Libra, conjunct my vertex, 2403 degrees Libra, marks fated encounters through service, healing, and artistic precision. Triune analysis, we have Western psychological matrix here. I have Sun in Pisces at 809 degrees in the 11th house, and it's in the 3rd decan. And the archetype is the mystic networker. I disseminate spiritual insights through communities, ruled by the Moon, co-ruler Neptune. My soul's purpose involves emotional alchemy within groups. I have Moon in Libra at 614 degrees in the 6th house in the 2nd decan. The archetype is the healing diplomat. I restore balance through daily service, ruled by Saturn. There's karmic duty in creating harmony in work environments. Excuse me. So my stellium activation. My 11th house Pisces planets from a mystical collective matrix. Sun, Venus, Uranus conjunction, revolutionary love consciousness. Mercury is at 1831 degrees Pisces. Messenger in the balsamic phase, speaking dying paradigms truths. Here's the Vedic karmic blueprint. So Lagna, Taurus, dirty, steadiness, yoga formed by Venus, Mars placement, material prosperity through persistent effort. Yogi point, Libra, 2952 degrees, temporary spiritual mastery through relationships and justice. Ava Yogi and Aries show struggles with impulsive action. Aruda Lagna analysis, AL in 4th house, Cancer, public sees me as a nurturing, rooted figure. A4 in the 1st house, true home is within my identity. UL in the 4th house, ultimate liberation through emotional security. Special yogas. So I have a Sun, Venus, Uranus conjunction, modern Viparita, Raja Yoga, reversal of fortune through unconventional means. Moon, Jupiter in the 6th house, Chandra Mangala Yoga, emotional intelligence serving healing. Mars in the 9th house, aspecting the 1st house, dharmic warrior energy. And by the way, Mars for me is actually exalted in Capricorn. And it's aspecting the 1st house, which of course is my Taurus ascendant. And I have Algo there, which is, no, it's known as a demon star. Here's our decanic layer analysis. Sun in Pisces at 809 degrees, 2nd decan, Cancer ruled. Emotional, psychic, protective. Tarot being the Moon, illusion versus intuition. Fixed star, conjunct Fomalhaut at 355 degrees Pisces, the royal star of mystical leadership with shadow of isolation. And that's the thing, I've been very lonely my entire life. It's a lonely life. Especially, but not just this placement, having Rahu and Aries usually makes you a loner. Because you want to do everything by yourself because nobody understands you. Moon in Libra. 614 degrees equals 1st decan, Libra ruled. So pure relationship orientation, tarot, justice, karmic balance. Fixed star moving toward Algorab, 1331 degrees Libra, Raven star offering strategic discernment. Here's our temporal synthesis. Current, Vimshottari Dasha, assuming birth after 1984. Our main period is Venus until the approximate age of 25 through 30. And our sub-period is the need exact birth year for precision, but current emphasis on Venusian themes, relationships, arts, values, and my exact birth year, because I didn't calculate it's 2005. So Western progressions. Progress Sun, likely in early Aries, initiation phase of new identity cycle. Progress Moon, check current house for emotional focus, which I already know my moon is in the 6th house of work and routines. So here's our critical transits that I have, at least 2024 already happened, but through 2026. I experienced a Pluto initial ingress into Aquarius, transforming my 10th house career public roles, Saturn in Pisces, disciplining my 11th house visions, Neptune in Aries, spiritualizing my 12th house subconscious. And here's the nodal reversal phenomenon. Rahu, also known as the north node of the moon, also known as the head with no body, is in Aries in the 12th house, Western, versus Rahu in Aries in the 1st house, Vedic. So Western, I have a spiritual awakening through courageous solitude. But Vedic, I have self-assertion and identity development as a karmic path. The synthesis is my Dharma involves finding the warrior, Aries, within the mystic, the 12th house. Quantum probability assessment, high probability timelines, 85% or more. Techno, spiritual innovation, my Aquarius Pisces duality manifests as digital mysticism. Healing crises as initiation, 6th house, Moon, Jupiter brings health revelations leading to service. Unexpected community leadership, Uranus in 11th house activates through crises. Branching reality nodes, 2025, quarter 2, vertex activation, fated encounters through health and service fields. In 2026, midheaven, Chiron, conjunction peak, public wounding, healing revelation. Probability fields. Transpersonal service, 78% likelihood of vocation combining technology and healing. Relationship unconventionality, 92% probability of non-traditional partnerships. Geographic shift, 65% chance linked to 9th house Mars, Capricorn, structured expansion. Consciousness evolution recommendations, phase 1, shadow integration, 0 to 6 months. Algo conjunct the ascendant, here's the work, here's a ritual. Dark moon journaling on power dynamics. Practice meditating on what patterns do I petrify, what truths petrify me. Saturn retrograde in Cancer in the 3rd house, healing, addressing familial communication patterns, somatic therapy for throat and chest tension. Phase 2, bridge building, 6 to 18 months. West-East synthesis, Mondays being the moon. Western emotional work, Saturdays being Saturn, Vedic karmic clearing. Wednesdays being Mercury, integrative analysis. Fixed star activation, Fomalhaut, Pisces, solitary mystical practice. Spica, Libra, artistic service offerings. And Algol, Taurus, transformative self-presentation. Phase 3, field emergence, 18 through 36 months. 11th house network consciousness, build Aquarian technology for Piscean compassion, digital sanctuary creation. i.e. this YouTube channel, excuse me. So here's our practical ritual prescriptions daily for me. Taurus ascendant grounding, sunrise, earth communion, barefoot on soil, Venus mantra, Om Shukra Nama, fixed star anchor. We visualize Aldebaran's red light stabilizing my field. Pisces Aquarius cleansing, saltwater foot bath before sleep, electric blue light visualization for neural rewiring. Lunar cycle, new moon, seed rituals in 6th house, health work systems. Full moon, release rituals in the 12th house, spiritual surrender. Solar festivals, equinoxes, balance the 6th through 12th house axes, service versus solitude. And solstices, activate the 3rd, 9th house axes, communication versus philosophy. Planetary hours enhancement. We have the Venus hour, relationship harmonization. Saturn hour, karmic pattern dissolution. And Uranus hour, innovation downloads. Yantra, ritual tools. Sri Yantra for Venusian Turian abundance. Aquarius sigil for technological mysticism. Personal yantra, combining Western glyphs and Vedic symbols. Quantum collapse protocol, when facing decision nodes. Check transits to vertex, 2403 degrees Libra, fated encounters. Monitor Fortuna, Pluto conjunction, 8th house, transformation through resources. Activate Rahu, Aries in the 12th house, courageous surrender. Consciousness upgrade path, current, bridge personality, Taurus, Pisces, Libra. 2025, system architect, Aquarius, Virgo synthesis. 2027, field catalyst, Uranus, Neptune resonance. Synthesis mandala, and this purpose of this dissection of my chart was to help you understand yours little by little. So, for example, I'm a grounded mystic. I have a Taurus ascendant and a Pisces Aquarius sun, here to systematize compassion, 6th house moon and Jupiter, and the 11th house stellium. My healing crisis is between serving others, Libra in the 6th house, and spiritual solitude, Aries in the 12th house. My destiny manifests through unexpected community leadership that transforms suffering into sacred technology. My primary equation, algo transformation, multiplied by FOMO hot mysticism, divided by Spica service, equals my contribution to society. The time wave, 2024 through 2027, completes a Neptune cycle from my 1998, which I wasn't even alive. This is not a thing. So spiritual awakening would have happened like from 2005, since I was born, to like maybe 2010. I was a little kid. But I'm preparing for Pluto in Aquarius, 2024 through 2044, to revolutionize my public role through collective consciousness technology. Implementation priority. I ground the algal power, Taurus rituals, balance service solitude, 6th, 12th axis, and build Aquarian Piscean network, 11th house activation. I'm not here to choose between Western and Vedic, but to live their synthesis, a walking bridge between oceanic consciousness and electric innovation. In my next video, we are going to go over the art of temporal archaeology, also known as an advanced rectification manual. I hope to see you there. Subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, let's get into it.